lion, today we have a painting and a story. Let's go and listen together. One sunny day, the lion was sitting under a shady tree, thinking about his upcoming birthday. He really wanted to make this year's birthday super special because last year's wasn't as much fun as he thought it would be. Suddenly, his friend Sima, the bird, flew down onto a branch near him. "Hi, lion," Sima chirped happily. "What's making you look so thoughtful?" The lion explained how he wanted this year's birthday to be extra special. Sima listened carefully, nodding her head. "Don't worry, lion," she said. "I'll help make your birthday amazing." Then Sima had an idea. She told the lion that they should invite all of their friends to the party. They would invite the giraffe, the monkey, the zebra, and even the silly snake. The lion loved this idea, and Sima promised to start inviting everyone right away. Next, Sima asked the lion what kind of party he wanted. Did he want games, music, or maybe some yummy cake? The lion thought for a moment before answering. "I want a party with games, music, and lots of yummy cake." Sima smiled and said, "That sounds like a plan, but we'll need some help to make it all happen." She suggested they ask the giraffe to help with the decorations, the monkey to play music, and the zebra to help with the food. The giraffe agreed to hang colorful balloons and streamers from the trees, while the monkey started practicing his favorite tones on his little drum set. Meanwhile, the zebra got busy baking delicious cupcakes with frosting strips in honor of the lion's special day. The snake even offered to wear a silly party hat to get everyone in the mood. As the party preparation continued, the lion couldn't help but feel excited and grateful for all his friends coming together to make his birthday so special. Sima flew around making sure everything was perfect, while the giraffe adjusted the balloons and streamers one last time. The monkey started playing his drum set softly in the background, adding to the festive atmosphere. It was finally time for the party to begin. The lion took a deep breath, and while a mighty roar shouted, "Happy birthday to me!" all his friends cheered and clapped, surrounding him with warm smiles and best wishes on his special day. The music started playing louder, and the celebration officially began. The lion blew out the candle on his cake, and everyone cheered even louder. Then they all sang "Happy Birthday" together, with the monkey playing a lively tune on his drum set. After the song, it was time to cut the cake and serve it to all the guests. Everyone joined the delicious cake and cupcakes, and soon after, they all started playing games together. They played hide and seek behind the trees, and the giraffe used his long neck to spot the hidden friends. Then they played a big game. running around and laughing together. After the birth of the lion, he thanked his friends and said that celebrating his birthday was the best in his life. From that day, everyone celebrated the birthday of every animal in the forest, and they were happy every day. My dear friends, I hope that you have many friends and celebrate your birthday together every year and give each other beautiful gifts. In this video, we have a tutorial on how to draw a cute lion whose birthday was today, a bird sitting on a tree branch and a friend of Mr. Lion, as well as a small giraffe who helped a letter for the lion's birthday, a beautiful snake, and a monkey who is a musician. Also other animals like crocodile and elephant. If you have liked this story and drawing so far, turn the white heart red so we can continue the video. After painting, it's time to color these forest animals, so stay with me until the end. boys, if you enjoyed the video and this story, please like and subscribe to my channel to see new videos.